everybody, and welcome to the first video on this channel in the very new year. I hope you all are doing very well today. First of all, I have to start this first video a little bit with I'm sorry. I kind of came down with a cold just yesterday or the day before that, so I hope that my voice is not too funny, but I really did not want to push filming this video further until my voice is very normal again, so I hope that is okay for today's video. Today's video is going to be just a really short I just wanted to film a video which is, it's not going to be very exciting because, to be honest, I'm just going to sit here and talk, but I just really wanted to make this video. I never made a video like this before. It's just going to be a shorty and just a few things I wanted to say, to be honest. So a chatty little thing in which I just wanted to say a very happy new year 2020. It's a new decade, it's a new year, it's very exciting. I actually never really felt this, God, it's a new decade going to come for quite a long time. I actually thought, yeah, new year, but I never thought a new decade. And everybody doing this, let's recap the last decade or something like that. I do not really want to do that. I do not feel like I accomplished a lot in the last decade. Yes, I did finish school. I got my A-levels with not too bad grades. I finished studying, I got a bachelor's degree, I started working, I moved in with my boyfriend, so quite big things actually happened, but I do not feel like I actually am where I want to be, if that makes sense. Also 2019 was not my favorite year, but yeah, it's over now, so let's hope that this new year is more like my taste. So yes, a very happy new year, everyone. I hope you all had a beautiful, happy, very cozy and comfy and a calm time, that you had a great night celebrating the new year and the old year, that everything went just how you wanted it to go. I had a lovely night. I celebrated 2019 even if I didn't like it. We were dancing into 2020 and I had a great night with many people I love a lot and I really kept close to my heart. I have always a great time with, and who are, even though I only see them like twice a year, have a feeling that I can go to when I need them. So what else can you wish for? And I want to wish you all just all the best things for the new year. I want to wish you all happiness and health and success, love, and just the best life you can imagine. I want to wish you that all your dreams come true, that everything you desire and work hard for will become part of your life this new year, and that you reach your goals. And however high your goals are, however big your goals are, however maybe hard to reach they seem now, I really hope that you can do what you want to do in this new year. And yes, may only the best things come and stay your way this year, and good times, good vibes, and only good people. And also, and another thing I wanted to do in this video, so thank you all, and yes, thank you for your support in 2019. I did not reach a goal I set for myself for this channel. Actually, it was even worse than I hoped it could be. Circumstances. So thank you all for your support in 2019. Thank you for your patience and for all the always lovely and helpful comments you left underneath my videos, for the messages I received and everything. And I just loved all of it, even if it might not have been as much as I would have loved, to be honest. But everything I got was just very lovely and helpful, and I just wanted to thank you for that. And most of all, for your patience, for those of you who stayed even over the long times in which I did not upload anything, which was, I think, April, May, that time when we moved, and also this last half of 2019. I think the last video I uploaded was like October. Also the last video I filmed was like October. So if you stayed during that time, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I thought I would have no I don't even remember the word, that nobody would be left following me on this platform. So yes, I'm very excited for everything to come in 2020. I can't wait to see what the new year brings, and I hope that's only the best. This year did not necessarily start the way I would have liked it to. Being poorly, my boyfriend is poorly, everybody's poorly. It was very stressful. We have our opera project this year around Christmas. It was really stressful, time consuming. I have been tired all the time since Christmas. It's now the last weekend of it, and even though I'm happy that I will have a free weekend after this one, I know that I'm going to miss it because I just love the people too much to not to. Yeah, so I wanted to thank you in this video, and I wanted to apologize for the long weeks and months I did not upload anything anywhere sometimes. I hope that this year will go a little bit more according to plan, and that I will be able to stay to my schedule a little bit more precisely. And I also decided to plan a little bit better and easier for me to stay put to, if that makes sense. So I'm currently planning on uploading a video every other week, so I think it's easier for me to include it into my working hours and weekend activities. And I hope that's okay for you. You can let me know in the comments down below, but I think it's not too bad, and that way I will really upload every other Sunday from now on. I decided to skip the Fridays. I love the Fridays, but I'm going to go back to the Sundays, I think. Also in general, I'm currently planning on making some other changes. I'm not happy with my username, with the name of my whole social appearance, if you get called like that. I'm not happy with many details, so I'm planning on making some other changes over here and on all the other social media platforms. It is going to be a design, content, a CI, and a name-wise change probably. So I just wanted to include it in this video. Either I'm thinking about this a long time. I changed my name already, I don't know if it has been last year, probably, and I just I feel like it's better, and that I can feel a lot closer to everything I create when I make those changes. So yes, keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled for that, and I hope that you won't wonder when there are some changes everywhere. But I will leave messages or something over here, or make a video about it before I change everything, so you will be noticed, so you don't wonder when there's suddenly a different channel on your subscriber, that's the word. So you won't wonder when there's a new name in your subscription box. That's what I wanted to say. Yes, so that's everything I wanted to say. Thank you a lot, and all the best to you and yours, and I can't wait to see what the new year brings. I hope, like I said, the best for you, the best for me, of course, and only wonderful things to all the areas on this planet who are challenged a lot at the moment. At this moment, my heart and my thoughts are with Australia, and I hope that this situation can really be controlled, get under control very soon. All the other areas in this world which are very challenged at the moment, that politics worldwide will stay calm or get calmer, and that no more stupid things are done. That's not necessarily what I planned to say in this video. Nevertheless, thank you all very much for your support and patience last year. Thank you all for leaving comments and being so lovely, and all the best for you and yours, and very happy new year. Bye.